Today we're gonna cook quiche. We will need salt, feta cheese, 4 eggs, red onion, pepper, olive oil, ham, cream cheese, and mushrooms. The first thing that we're gonna do is to put 4 eggs, 400 grams of cream cheese, pepper, and salt in the blender. When the mix is ready, we cut the onion. Now we put a little bit of olive oil in a pan and we add the onion. We have to wait 3 minutes. In the meantime, we cut the mushrooms. After 3 minutes, we add the mushroom in the pan with the onion and we leave them cook during 10 minutes. When the mushrooms are cooked, we put in a big bowl the mix of the blender and also the mushrooms and the onion, and we mix everything. Then we add the ham and also the feta, and we mix everything again. Once it's ready, we put it in a tray with baking paper inside. Now we put the tray in the oven during 35 minutes, 200 degrees. After 35 minutes, this is the final result. Let's see how it tastes. It seems so creamy. Yummy.